Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification required on App Store. If you're using any iPhone, iPad, or any other iOS device and you're having the issue that you have to verify yourself or verification required in your App Store, so let's see how can you fix. So basically it happens with your payment method which has been expired or whenever you are subscribed to anything else. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple fix. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you just have to go back and then go for your Apple ID and then select subscriptions, and you have to make sure that you're not subscribed to anything. So once you have canceled your subscriptions, you just have to go back and it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you just have to tap on your App Store and then tap on your profile picture or your Apple ID in the top right corner. Then you just have to tap on your Apple ID again. Now you just have to update your payment method. So you can try to delete and then re-add your payment method, or you can try to add a new payment method. So just select manage payments, and here you can easily add your credit card or debit card or anything else which you have as your payment method. And once you have updated the payment method, your issue will be resolved. So in this way you can easily fix on the verification required on your App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.